My true love, he dwelt on the mountain, like a warrior fearless and free, by the side of a low-tuning fountain that wanders through the wide and the deep. His soul has more valor and honor than the king with his palace and crown. For the blood of the race of O'Connor fills the veins of my Bua Killeen down. Soft kid, meal of fortune I'll give him when he comes every Sunday to me. Ah, but what can I do but believe him when he whispers Acushlam O'Cree? For the look is so truthful and tender from his bright roving eyes of dark brown, that I'm sure in a lady of splendor would be coaxed by my Bua Killeen down. My father has riches aplenty, and he has suitors for me in his eye. Ah, but oh, let my age come to 20 if I don't bid them all the goodbye. For I sigh for a life in the mountains, far away from the dust and from the town, by the side of a low-tuning fountain, and in the arms of my Bua Killeen down. For I sigh for dust and from the town, by the side of a low-tuning fountain, and in the arms of my Bua Killeen down. Thanks.